All right, day number 2. We're back out here riding our bikes. It's a different mountain. We've been here before, and we're gonna try it again. First time I came here a couple years ago, I cramped up because it was a long climbing. But let's hope that we can survive this time. That's what they said. The turn is just around the corner. 3 corners later, it still hasn't made it to the turn yet.
People from out of town come to Georgia, like, oh yeah, I've been up around the corner.
Yeah. When he says it's only 3 miles, double that.
It's not far.
Yeah. I'm always a sweeper, so go. Where? Oh. Oh, he did? All right, here we go. Day number 2. Very technical, from what I was told. Max is very focused. Got his glove on, so we won't be able to see him at all.
Turning around, the trail's right there behind us.
Okay.
What did you guys have for breakfast today? I got bowling.
It's too early. Hey, is it too early for me to bully him? Yeah? Okay. I'll stop bullying him. Can we just come back down this section right here? Just kidding. Oh, too early to be climbing like this. 我哋係個你當 glove 嘅你論知咧 super focus.
Go downhill.
Wow, that was a good warm-up climb. Ooh, ain't no joke. We're trying to recover from yesterday's ride. Already climbing.
It says Ridgeline to the left. Yeah, oh, okay.
Oh, wrong gear. Wrong gear. I was trying to go lighter and I got heavier. Oh, this is a climb. Oh, come on.
Power.
Woo. Kidding me. All this climbing, very technical climbing. Oh. The horse drank some Kool-Aid yesterday. Doesn't mean that he couldn't drink some more today.
So the trail's just gonna look like this going down.
Ooh, shoot.
Yeah, left is easier.
I know.
How you look there?
Man, I mess up. These old horse got no more power left. My right arm is numbing.
No way.
Yeah. From yesterday, it's bouncing. All this climbing, my goodness. Finally, are we on top yet? Almost.
More?
He called too late.
I know. Ruined me already.
He called too late because the guy's already here.
Yeah.
Next time, try to call earlier. Because now we ruin our momentum.
Now I gotta get up and walk a little bit.
I know. Okay. More climbing. Oh. Here's a route. Climbing. Oh my gosh. Oh, this climbing is killing me. Yesterday, we spent 70% of our time climbing the mountain on gravel roads, so it was easier. Here, we're spending 99% of the time climbing the mountain on loose road, single track, up the hills. Nothing but climbing over rocks, over roots. Made it to the top.
That's what you call a GoPro.
I'm gonna call y'all to pick me up. I'm dying.
How's the weight balance?
It's definitely different once you go back and go by yourself. And just feel so much more maneuverable.
Very high for her.
We are up to the top right now. We are super way up on top of the mountain.
This one's a little longer. Try to keep it around 40 minutes to an hour. We're just at about 42 minutes.
Where'd you come from?
Let's go. I'm last guy. Kushan. I'll be honest with you. Kushan. Go ahead. I'll be the last guy. So I'm tired. I'm beat from yesterday's ride already. Max passed me. Go ahead. Oh! Yeah, my foot got caught on its root. Whew! I almost broke my ankle. Yeah, this is... I think there's more people on this trail, so it's a lot smoother, but a lot rockier than the one we rode yesterday. Even though yesterday was pretty brutal. I'm not gonna... Ooh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Big mistake for braking. Downhill has its challenges. I'm already tired. It's not as easy as it seems. Whoa.
I don't care, whatever you guys want to do. That's right.
That sign that
Oh,
just right there. And then
Yeah? Okay. I think it was fun, dude.
Yeah. Wait until you get to the ridgeline.
Oh, he's been there.
Oh. Max and Elvis.
Oh, no, you're funny. You guys are funny.
No, you guys go first. I'm slow. You guys are super fast compared to me. I'm not a downhill type of person.
This is the fun part you guys find
Yep.
out?
Yeah, that's where we were. That's where we came through.
Yeah. That's where they're going down.
This is the
This is the Ridgeline.
yeah.
Oh, wow. Cool.
You've been before, yeah?
Many years ago, I think so. I don't even remember.
Anh ra từ tôi tại canh tại tại phải là thích chém muốn đây.
So why?
This is the ridge line right here. Super fast. I'm not a fast downhill person, so I'm gonna ride at my own pace, but these guys are gonna be gone already. Yep, yeah, they're gone. This is where you gotta know how to use your brake, because it's gonna be like this all the way down through all the zigzag or the switchback. Came here once before. What is this? Ooh, fishtail. Ooh, you all right? Shot. Oh. It's only me, the slow guy. Woo.
Almost there.
Almost there. Boom.
And there's the two trees right there. Yeah. Turn right into it.
The tight tree, you see that?
But pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah.
Let's do it again.
I told you would love it. I told you, man, that you would love it.
One more round?
One more round?
It's good, huh? You liked it? I know you loved it. I told you would love it.
One more round? We go out here.
I did much better than I did the last time. He thought I was Mika, so he stopped. He slowed down a little bit. Yeah, he. Good morning, y'all. Bike. Hold on. Super fast. Whew, that was fun.
You have a screen? There's a pond right like.
Oh, you. Oh, that's you. I thought Mika.
And y'all, I think you would have
You would have loved it, y'all.
downhill with myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw the downhill. I walked to see where all the downhill. It's pretty slow. You know.
Yeah.
It's like you can go as fast as you want.
Yeah.
I did my Esker on Hickory Ridge and down Esker.
That's pretty
It wasn't
fun.
too bad. It was pretty fun.
Yeah, because it's not like real rough or anything.